Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair your PartyLight Stick from JBL to the PartyBox speaker. If you have a PartyBox JBL speaker, then for sure that speaker will have the same button as here, this spiral triangular button. And I don't have one, but I've had it before, and you can simply press on the triangular button on the speaker, then also press on it on the PartyLight Stick, and that's basically how it will work. They'll just pair together if both these devices have the same button pressed. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.